Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. Robert Greene wrote a book called The 48 Laws of Power that tackles the idea of power and how to acquire and keep it. The following are the top 10 lessons to take away from this book. Never outshine the master. It's crucial to be modest and not put your superiors on the spot because doing so could endanger their position and cause them to feel insecure. Employ selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. You can disarm potential opponents and win their trust by being generous with the information you disclose while being selective about who you tell. Play on people's fantasy. Individuals frequently harbor fantasies and wishes that they would like to realize. By appealing to these needs and fantasies, you can win over your audience's devotion and support. Learn to keep people dependent on you. You may control people and win their devotion by making them rely on you for specific things. You can improve your perceived importance and influence by choosing to skip out on some events, and as a result, others may treat you with more respect and dignity. Court attention at any costs. You may control and influence others by being in the spotlight and attracting attention to yourself. Delegate tasks to others, but always accept the credit. By giving others credit for your successes, you can make yourself appear more powerful and important to others. Make others come to you. You can preserve your position of authority and exert control over the situation by compelling others to come to you. Use the surrender tactic to your advantage by feigning to be on the receiving end of a surrender or giving up. Build a cult-like following. You can obtain control and influence over your followers by instilling a sense of devotion and belonging in them. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.